Hey guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to make a whiteboard in our home with least materials available. Let's get going. To get started with the project we need lots of white A4 size sheet papers, and the next item is some sellotape, and the next item needed is some totally clear white plastic sheet. And in the next step in the making of this whiteboard, you need to lay out the white sheet on the wall where you need to have your whiteboard. After pasting the white sheet on your wall, you need to tape it down like this. And now I used a white kg cardboard because it's very easy and you can get a large surface area. Now you can also use some A4 size sheet paper, but it's a long process and it takes more time. I would highly recommend you guys to use this one. And after applying the white sheet on your wall, take a clear sheet like this. See, it should be completely see-through clear plastic wrap. You can get this at stores. Ask for clear plastic bindings and just keep it like this, or paste the transparent plastic sheet on the wall just like this. And after applying the plastic sheet, you must have something which looks like this, clean and beautiful. Now the whiteboard is ready, and make sure to tape the plastic sheet onto the wall very firmly and no air bubbles are trapped here. So done. Now let's test this out. Now the board is ready to be tested. I know I messed this part a little bit, but it's okay, nothing matters. So now let's test it out with the whiteboard marker. Okay, let's write subscribe. And there you have it. You have your own whiteboard, and you can also erase this thing with a cloth. It works just as well. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment what should be my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.